Hello, today I am going to tell you about again domain of a function, but in my previous video I have told you root over of a square minus x square, but here it is root over of x square minus a square. Variable is in the first position and the constant is in the second position, but in my previous video a square minus x square was there. Clear? See here, it is in the numerator. So under root part can be 0 and positive but not negative. So that means f is well defined. The function is well defined for x square minus a square is greater or equal to 0. It can be positive, it can be 0. So take the number line. Infinity, this is minus infinity, and here a square, x square minus a square equal to 0. So x is equal to plus minus a. So this is minus a, this is plus a. And the sign of x square is positive. So positive, negative, positive. And your requirement is, it is positive and 0. Positive means either this one or this one. That means x belongs to this interval, minus infinity minus a, union a infinity. So infinity is always open and the equal to sign is there, equal to 0, and this quantity equal to 0 when x is equal to minus a and x is equal to a. That means these 2 points are included. So domain of this one is minus infinity minus a, union a infinity. So this is your answer. Clear? So see here, I am giving some examples. Domain of 9 minus x square minus 4, this one. What is the domain of this one? In place of a, I have written 2. A square is equal to 4, so a is equal to 2. So put here minus infinity minus 2, union 2 infinity. Here again, if the question is x square minus 9 root over, then here a is 3, minus infinity minus 3, union 3 infinity. And if the question is x square minus 2, then here a is root 2, so minus infinity minus root 2, union root 2 infinity. Clear? So this is all about the domain of root over of x square minus a square. See here, now you want to find out the domain of 1 by square root of x square minus a square. Now here f is defined, this is the function f. F is well defined for, since it is in the denominator, it cannot be 0, and square root is there, so negative is not possible, only positive. Here x square minus a square is greater than 0. So take the number line, this is infinity, this is minus infinity, so x square minus a square equal to 0, x equal plus minus a, so this is minus a, this is plus a, and the sign of x square is positive, so take positive here, here it is negative, here it is positive. Always take from right hand side, not from left hand side. Clear? And only your requirement is only positive. Positive means either this one or this one. Equal sign is not there. That means x belongs to minus infinity minus a, open interval, union a infinity open interval. There is no equal sign, so you should take the open interval. Clear? So let us take some examples. See here, that means domain of this one is minus infinity minus a, union a infinity. So this is your answer. Clear? See here, your formula is 1 by square root of x square minus a square. The domain is minus infinity minus a, open interval, both open, union a infinity open interval. So here, in place of a, I have written 3. A square is equal to 9, so a is equal to 3. So answer is minus infinity minus 3, union 3 infinity. In this case, here a is 4, so minus infinity minus 4, union 4 infinity. Clear? And here a is equal to 1. So answer is minus infinity minus 1, union 1 infinity. And here a is root 5. So domain is minus infinity minus root 5 union root 5 infinity. Clear? So I have told you two formulas today. Root over of x square minus a square. In that case, you should put the closed interval for a and minus a, and if you should take its reciprocal, then it will be open interval. Clear? And for reciprocal, closed interval is not possible because in the denominator the quantity cannot be 0. So that is why closed interval is not possible. Only open intervals. Clear? So do these types of problems. In the next class, I will tell you new formulas. Simply remember the tricks, and I have already proved the formulas. Only you have to apply. Okay.